How to increase your Citibank credit limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking to increase your credit limit on your Citibank card? Well, here is how to request it easily from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your account and here once logged in, simply click on the credit card that you want to increase the limit for and there simply look for the services or card services section and click request a credit card increase and enter your annual income, monthly rent or mortgage and any other required details, and once you're done with that you can simply click submit, and with that Citibank will review your request and you may get an instant decision or they might contact you if more info is needed. And that's it. That's how you can request a credit limit increase with Citibank from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.